Hey, Bubba, I tell you what, we don't get a lot of snow down here, but I tell you what, when we get snow, folks, we play before we work. You know what I mean here, Bubba?
Yep.
What we're going to do today, folks, we're going to talk about the 5 things that you need to go sledding. You know what I mean?
Yep.
First thing, what you need, Bubba, to go sledding?
Sled.
Snow. You need snow. You can go sled riding with no snow, but it's boring. We got a little snow today. Look at that, folks. A lot of snow out there. Number 2, what do you need there, Bubba?
Sled.
You need a sled. Now that can be a cardboard box. That could be a little saucer like that. You got an old car laying around. Pull off that hood. You know what I mean there, Bubba? The only thing bad about those hoods, you can't steer them. Number 4, you need what?
You need cold weather.
You need cold weather. If you don't got cold weather, you can't have snow. You know what I mean, folks? A lot of people are stupid. Number 5, you need a buddy to push you.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm going to do today, folks. We're going to give old Bubba a push down this hill here. You know what I mean? We're going to work. We're going to have fun first. Then we're going to work. There you go.
All right.
Hang on there, Bubba.
All right.
Say goodbye to all your friends.
Goodbye.
There you go. Look at him go. Folks, look at that.